How to add product filtering to Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to do that step by step. So first, what we need to do is just log into our Shopify admin, and we simply just want to install an official Shopify app that is going to help us add filtering to our store. So you simply just want to click on Add Apps, click on Shopify App Store, and you simply just want to search for Search and Discovery. So you should be able to find Shopify Search and Discovery by Shopify themselves. Once you find it, you simply just want to click on Install. Next up, you just want to click on Install one more time. Now all you need to do is you should be able to find the app on the left side. If you click on Filters, you're going to be able to add filters that you want to show up on your theme. And you're going to be able to add them by adding any sort of variants, for example, to your products. I'm going to show you in a second. So if we just click on Add Filter from the top right and click on Select Source. Now, as you can see here, you're going to find a bunch of sources that you can add, like the brand, category, and so on. Now, it's going to be a mix of standard items from Shopify, like the category and stuff, which you can't really change. And you're also going to be able to find all the different variants that you have for your products. For example, this is a type of variant that I created just for the purpose of this video. This is a variant name for testing purposes. And if we'll click on any of them, for example, let's just click on size for this video. We're going to also find all the different values that the size variant is going to have. And we can just select all of them and click on save. Now, this is going to be a filter option that we have on our site. You can just simply go back, add another one. Let's just add category, for example. So you're going to find all the different categories of products that you have and click on save. Okay, note, in order to actually have this on your Shopify store and make it show up, the only requirement is that you will need to be using a theme, which is a 2.0 theme. So make sure you install a 2.0 theme like Horizon or Dawn. You're going to find plenty of them. Just make sure you're using one of those themes. And then you can just go ahead and view your theme. It's going to already be installed for you. So here, if we just view our theme, click on catalog, we should be able to see that we have the filters here, and we are going to have the availability, price, size, category, and whichever other filters that we added from the app that we have just installed. And this is pretty much how to install filters to your Shopify store. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.